In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Email Editor in Mautic. If you've been wanting a smoother, more modern way to build marketing emails in Mautic, this quick walkthrough will get you there by enabling the newer Grapes.js-based email builder. This builder gives you an improved drag-and-drop experience and cleaner, more reliable HTML output, which can help with deliverability and mobile responsiveness. First, log into your Mautic account with a user that has permission to change system settings. Managing plugins typically requires administrator access, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your Mautic admin. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the Mautic interface for the gear icon. This is the settings area where you control system-wide configuration. Click the gear to open the settings menu. From there, choose Plugins. The Plugins page lists the integrations and builders that Mautic can use. This is where we'll enable the updated email editor. If you see a search field or filters, they can help you find what you need faster. Now look for Grapes.js. Depending on your version, it may appear as Grapes.js or Grapes.js Builder. This is the newer plugin that powers Mautic's updated email builder. When you find it, open it if needed to view its details and make sure it's activated. Activation is usually a simple toggle or button that changes the plugin's status from disabled to enabled. When it's active, Mautic can use Grapes.js to drive the email editing experience. After confirming it's active, save and close. Use the Save and Close option so your changes are written and you return to the plugins list. Give it a moment if Mautic displays a confirmation message or spinner. That simply means it's applying the update. That's it. With Grapes.js activated, the updated email builder is ready to go the next time you create or edit an email. You'll notice a more intuitive layout, better block-based editing, and improved design consistency across devices. If you don't see Grapes.js in your plugins list, your Mautic version may not include it, or your user role might not have access to manage plugins. In that case, check your version compatibility or contact your administrator to confirm permissions and availability. To recap, you log in, open the settings from the gear icon, go to Plugins, locate Grapes.js, activate it, then save and close. With just those steps, you've upgraded your Mautic email editing experience and set yourself up for faster, cleaner email creation going forward.